Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I would like for you to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my links below, okay? Alright, so let's do it. I have another talk show for you. Why are you not marriage material? Why are you not married to him or her? Why not? Have you asked that question? I have a few questions myself. Why not? That's the question. What are the excuses? So let's go through some of the excuses that you might hear. You like living not being sure of your future with your partner. No, you don't like that. You hate that. But you know, you've accepted that, right? You're thinking that maybe one day, or maybe he'll pop the question, or you'll pop the question, or maybe he'll get around to it, or she'll get around to it. You don't like that. It's a maybe is not secure. It's not sure, okay? Next question. Maybe she or he doesn't really look like partner material, or your mate don't look at you as partner material. Maybe they look at you as just someone who can help them get through this period now, and then when they meet somebody else, they'll move on. Or maybe you're being used, or maybe you need to step up to the plate and see what you need for yourself. If you know that's what you want, and you know that's not what you're not getting, you need to take a hard look at that and make a decision, okay? Maybe you're being used right now until someone else comes along later. Ooh. Maybe you're dealing with a cheater. You know, if you're dealing with a cheater, then they don't need to marry you, because they already have several people that they're not committed to no one, okay? Take a hard look at that. And if you're dealing with a cheater, you deserve better than that. You deserve to have your own mate without your mate sharing themselves with others. So you need to take a hard look at that and decide that, that's not for me, okay? How long will you continue life pretending that everything is okay, when you know that's not what you want, and you know it's not okay? And how can you really look forward to a guarantee when there is none, okay? Call him or her your husband or wife, even though they're not legally. You know, I know so many people say, oh, this is my husband, this is my wife, and they're not married at all. You know, so if they want that title, then they can go ahead and make that happen. Whether it's the man or the woman, make that happen. If not, stop the lie. That's not your husband or wife. It is what it is, okay? So I'm saying all these things to give you some thoughts. You know, think about this. You know, what's the future holding for you? How's that going to work out for you? Okay, he or she says you're too fat or lazy, or you don't turn them on. Is this what you want anyway? Now, come on now, let's think about that. If you're too fat or lazy, but they're with you, there's a problem there, because they're already accepting who you are every time they look at you, okay? And that doesn't mean your physical appearance does not mean that's all of you. You know, you have a brain, you have a personality, and so something about you they liked in order to be there. And if they don't like it anymore, then they maybe need to figure out what they need elsewhere, right? Okay. Next question. Maybe you're not married because your partner receives everything they need from you without the commitment. Maybe you already share bills with them. Maybe you already share your money with them. Maybe you already have kids with them. Maybe you already take their crap with them. All of those things. And so, they don't feel like they need to go to the next step because everything is working fine for them, although it's not working fine for you. Okay? Next question. What happens when you look back years from now and you realize that you have just wasted a lot of time on this individual as they walk out the door? How are you going to feel about that then? Right? You're going to feel used and abused when you could have maybe found somebody by then and got some happiness. Correct? Okay. Be about the right choices for you and the right outcome that you want. So you want to now assess everything. Due to the infection that's going on nationwide, we all are struggling. And so what you need now is some moral support, some financial support, some stability. Maybe, you can consider whether you want marriage now or not. And if so, go for that. Don't be used by anyone. It helps you to open your eyes now because of the sickness that's going on nationwide. And now it's time to make a change. So if you want marriage, then you go and you get it. Okay? And if you don't have it with the partner that you with, please open up the door so that you can get what you need. Because after all, you deserve it. You deserve it. If you want a ring on it, go get it. Okay, that's the word of the day. I want to thank you in advance for all your support and care that you have done. I appreciate you tuning into this channel. I also appreciate all the feedback and comments. You guys are really great about that, and I love it. I love it. And I love serving you in every way possible. I hope you all are okay through the infection that's going on nationwide. I'm hoping and praying that we can see the end of this soon, and until then, I want you to keep the faith and hang in there. Okay? Thank you for sharing and caring. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the videos and subscribe. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel. Until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.